Next one is 2016 Black Gold. Gonna have 6 hits. Those hits include those giant thick metal cards. All right, 2016 Black Gold. I think there's 2 packs. Yep, 2 packs. All right, 2016 Black Gold, pack number 1. Alright, I think the card on the back is a parallel. Sneak it to the front. I got a Cam Newton Golden Arms for the Panthers out of 225. Cam Newton out of 225 for the Panthers. Got a Marshall Faulk for the Rams out of 225. Base card. Marshall Faulk for the Rams, 225. Looks like it's probably the hits right now. Yep. Got a Corey Coleman for the Browns. Quad jersey out of 249. Corey Coleman for the Browns. Quad jersey. Not on the Browns anymore. Corey Coleman, 249 for the Browns. Devontae Booker, nice auto jersey. For the Broncos, Devontae Booker out of 149. Got bumped to the 3rd running back, but still a nice looking card. Devontae Booker for the Broncos out of 149. And the last one, oh, nice dual jersey. For the Ravens, Joe Flacco and Chris Moore out of 99. Joe Flacco, Chris Moore for the Ravens. Numbered out of 99 dual jersey. So that is pack number 1. Empty box. Alright, let's see what we got in the last pack. Alright, pull the last card back in. Oh, nice. Last one, Brandon Marshall for the Broncos out of 25. Nice parallel. Low numbered. Brandon Marshall for the Broncos out of 25. Nice one for the Lions. Barry Sanders out of 100. Barry Sanders out of 100. And looks like these should be the hits. Oh, nice one. Jersey. Oh. Dual jersey for the Cowboys. Got Tony Romo and Ezekiel Elliott. Dual jersey out of 99. Nice Zeke rookie jersey. Got Tony on there too. Tony Romo, Zeke Elliott, dual jersey out of 99. Ooh, nice. That one. Oh, yeah. Ink for the Bills. Very nice one. Andre Reed Gold Strike. Numbered out of 99. Andre Reed. Probably one of the best Bills receivers. Can't think of any other ones off the top of my head. Andre Reed. Auto out of 99 for the Bills. And the last one more hit. Nice jersey for the Ravens, Chris Moore. Another Chris Moore. This one's out of 199. Chris Moore for the Ravens out of 199.